Hi there, my name is Olivier Bernard, and I am thrilled to be here with you today to discuss how ARM and Project Cassini is helping move cloud native workload onto edge gateways. In IoT deployment, the traditional model has been for a while to generate data through diverse endpoints at the edge, where cost and power consumption is key, and then act on this data in the cloud, where all the smarts are with quasi-unlimited resources in power, compute processing, and storage capacity. However, this rollout has been slower and more difficult than expected, often hindered by issues such as security, high cost, inadequate communication infrastructure, and ecosystem fragmentation. In addition, as we scale to 1 trillion devices at the edge, that model is no longer sustainable because of the sheer amount of data being generated and needed to be transported to the cloud. Therefore, this evolution of IoT demands a new deployment model that makes it simpler to scale, a model like in the cloud that just works. The solution is to process the data throughout the edge, where you have more power and performance than in endpoints, but you are also closer to the data than in the cloud. In essence, we are working to make the edge the core infrastructure for new and emerging real-time services. And that is the vision of Project Cassini. Project Cassini is an industry-wide initiative to lay the foundation for a cloud-native developer experience across a diverse and secure edge ecosystem. As you can see, Project Cassini has 3 vectors. The first one is a set of standards, the newly announced ARM System Ready program. The second one is around security. We are extending the platform security architecture certification program to the edge and collaborating with the Cloud Native Compute Foundation on the project called PARSEC. And finally, we enable the ecosystem. This is where Project Cassini really comes to life, bringing the vibrant cloud native software ecosystem from the cloud to the edge and on edge compute nodes. So with ARM System Ready, we are extending the success and philosophy pioneered by ARM Server Ready and bringing it to the edge. Traditionally, you can see that each SIP maker was delivering their own hardware and BSPs, optimizing it for a specific operating system, and that created silos all the way up to the application layer. There was no seamless migration of application possible from one supplier to another, and this created needless friction for both the silicon partners and the OEMs. As you can see from this diagram, with ARM System Ready, we can now land any off-the-shelf OS on different hardware from different silicon supplier without having to do engineering work or fine-tuning. And that means less support for the SIP and more choices for the OEMs to have the right device for the right application, and the ability to focus on higher value differentiations on their end products. So just like ARM Server Ready, System Ready define a base system architecture's hardware, PSA, and key processes like boot through firmware, base boot requirements, which we call BBR, UEFI, device tree, ACPI, and so forth. Making these standards from partners ensure that common OSs and applications simply work on ARM. The second aspect of Project Cassini is around security standards. And we are extending the success of PSA Certified for endpoints, Cortex-M type devices, to application processor, Cortex-A type devices. The idea behind PSA is to demonstrate good security principles and that the industry's best practices have been applied by implementing some form of root of trust and running trusted services, providing data provenance, security identification, and so forth. So with PSA-A, we are bringing harmony and consistency across varied root of trust implementation, whether that be a TPM, an HSM, a trusted execution environment, crypto island, or any other form of secured elements where you can hide your secrets and your keys. We offer choices and varieties at the edge, but that brings complexity and fragmentation, especially as it relates to interfacing to the software world. PSA ensures that whatever the root of trust and security choices customers make, they still offer a high level of security that are aligned with standards, regulations, and in some cases, even local laws. System Ready also defines its own security profile to make sure that OSs and application interfaces are secured. The whole process is a certification process. In addition, because with Project Cassini, we really take a holistic view of our customers' implementation, we also created PARSEC. And so PARSEC is an open source abstraction layer and a series of microservices that provide a hardware root of trust access to application across multiple security solutions. So security services that duplicate what the cloud native world expects to have. And that's a hardware-based security, typically a TPM in the cloud, across various different root of trust implementation at the edge. So with PS and PARSEC, we ensure that your hardware, your software, the operating system, and application are all secured, regardless of the silicon partners and providers and their hardware security choices. So at this point, we now have devices that are both ARM system ready, compliant with standards. We have devices that are PSA certified and with the right PARSEC implementation for the applications. But the real value to the industry is the ability to leverage the IT world and its cloud native software ecosystem and help them migrate their application services consistently and easily across diversity of edge devices. Success for Cassini will eventually and ultimately depends upon you, the developers, bringing your enthusiasm and innovation to this vision. And for OEMs, that means deploying and managing containerized applications, which are the green boxes you can see on the different devices here, across a very diverse product portfolio, whether it's a small device gateway, a more complicated industrial gateway, all the way up to a far more powerful workload consolidation edge server. This concept has not been developed in isolation, but jointly with our partners. And to that extent, please allow me to introduce you to Aaron Su, Associate Vice President at Advantech. Advantech is a global leader in IoT gateways and embedded platform. And you can see at the bottom of this slide just how varied their product offering is. With Project Cassini, migrating those green boxes, the workloads, across all of their different products is become just really cost-effective, effortless. And that allows them to offer a joint product offering with the same experience to their customers and focus their scarce resources on higher differentiation and key verticals. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming Aaron Su. Thank you.
Thanks, Olivier. Both of screen, the standardization is the key of the way to speed up the deployment of IoT application around the world. So in the following presentation, I would like to share my opinion about how Advantech help people to speed up the implementation of AI and application by the standardization of embedded IoT gateway, or called the edge computer. I think we all agree that the AI and IoT are two of the most popular topics in these last 2 years. The business and the opportunity brought by AI and IoT are tremendous. Based on the market research report, the market size of edge computing will be up to $6.72 billion in the year 2022, which means a remarkable quantity of edge computer will be installed around the world. And this situation brings us an important question in our mind. Why is edge computing so important for most AI and IoT applications? I think there are 4 benefits an edge computer can bring to you AI and IoT application. First, edge computers are able to increase operation efficiency by only sending the most valuable data to cloud and taking an urgent action immediately without waiting the response from cloud. The second benefit edge computer provide is the flexibility of application extension, allow you to extend your application coverage by simply adding a new device into your current network without a big modification at the hardware and software design in the cloud. The third benefit of edge computer is optimize the investment of your application. The hardware and software at the cloud level normally cost 10 times more than an edge computer device. So sharing the computing power from the cloud to edge computer can reduce the overall investment of your application. The last and also the most important benefit of edge computer is reliability. Edge computer is between computing. It means tasks are shared between cloud and edge computer. So even if some edge computer in the network cannot function properly, it's not going to shut down the whole cloud application. So it is a more reliable way to build your AI and IoT application than centralize all the computing power in the cloud. After understanding the benefit of an edge computer, what are the major features edge computer should have? Advantech thing, computing power, immediate I/O, connectivity, and security are the four major features an edge computer should have. Computing power is needed for providing the data processing capacity, and the immediate I/O are required for connecting to the different application device. The device. Supporting the different data protocol by wire and wireless connectivity to link all devices to your cloud application is also a key feature of edge computer. But without a trust and safe operation environment, no application can perform normally. So secure data and the operation at the edge side are the most critical feature the edge computer should provide. Compared to the x86 technology, ARM technology has advantage of low power consumption, compact structure on both hardware and software design. It is an excellent solution for edge computers. But there are several challenges which slow down the adoption of ARM technology in the embedded market. Diverse software, difficulty on the peripheral integration, and the investment on one project is not easy to leverage to another one to reduce your return of investment. All of these issues make people hesitate to move their project to an ARM-based solution. So this slows down the overall deployment speed of AI and IoT application. So standardization on hardware and software offering, and then make it a platform solution, and build up the ecosystem partnership for semi-other application software development. These are two actions that Advantech to minimize the entry barrier to ARM technology in embedded market. Platform solution mean the effort and the resource spent on one platform can support more than one project. It solves the low ROI issue and reduce the risk of peripheral integration. Building up the ecosystem partnership provide a different layer of software service able to fulfill different applications. So in following slide, I will show you how Advantech accelerate the implementation of ARM technology in embedded market by offering partnership cooperation. I'm going to drive ARM technology in embedded market by four core advantages. First, Advantech is a key partner of embedded SOC provider like NXP, TI, and Rockchip. So we are able to adopt the latest technology such as NPU, VPU technology earlier from a single partner to support your application. Secondly, Advantech provides open standard form factor to fulfill different AI and IoT application requirements, which can reduce your investment on the hardware deployment. Except the hardware offering, Advantech also provides a series of software add-on service from embedded OS to application API and cloud-based remote device management utility to help you to build your cloud application from OS level to cloud level. The last value add provided by Advantech is building an ecosystem partnership. Advantech thinks that an effective ecosystem is helpful to shorten the development time of your application. The collaboration between ARM PSA provide an easy-to-use, secure edge computer solution is exactly the action that Advantech and ARM take based on this partnership concept. In the following slide, I will give you more introduction of each core advantage. For the new technology, Advantech is able to provide a wide range of Cortex-A SoC solution with longevity support to meet the requirement of the edge computer. For computing power, Advantech provides up to 8-core SoC solution to meet the different performance requirements of your applications. For embedded feature and I/O, Advantech provides a 4K capacity solution for multimedia and digital signage application. CAN bus, PCI display interface, embedded display for embedded control application, and integrated VPU or NPU computing power IC solution for the AI and IoT applications. And for the software add-on service, Advantech provides various embedded OS support, including the Yato, Ubuntu, Debian Linux solution, and Android solution with a unified user interface to help you to minimize the effort to migrate your application from one OS to another one. So this is how Advantech leverage the data technology from the different SOC provider to empower the overall value of your applications. Advantech is a leading embedded platform company. We provide a wide range of open standard hardware platform for your application. Standard product means quick to market, more cost effective, and with better lead time for your application. Such as computer module solution, SMART and RTOS, these two open standards are designed for application which require a vertical market feature like FPGA for the medical image processing and a Flex I/O design for creating different skill offering. You just need to add this feature and I/O configuration on your application capable design and add SMART and RTOS module on it. Then your hardware integration is done. For application need a board with rich I/O and fast time to market design, Pico IDS and Swivel 5-inch single board solution are the best choice for you. With single board design, all the major I/O from SoC vendor has been implemented on board. It allows you to be more focused on your resource on the system integration instead of hardware design. If the major value of your application is on software, then a quick to market off-the-shelf box solution will be mainly helpful for you. So Advantech also provides a series of ARM-based system solutions which are specially designed for different vertical applications, such as signage, automation control, video AI box, and IoT Gateway. With this vertical-oriented box solution, it can help you to save your time and money for delivering your service to market. Diverse demand on software is the most critical challenge of ARM technology in embedded market. Because the software design of each project is unique and too many layers of software are involved, it makes the software investment leverage from one project to another one become a big challenge. All of these facts make the software design of ARM-based solution become a big uncertainty. In order to reduce the difficulty of software design, Advantech provides ARM Linux and Wise Device on a solution. For ARM Linux, there are two major parts included. The unified embedded platform provides a performance optimized Linux core for each SoC, and pre-integrate a popular embedded I/O driver and peripheral driver into the BSP. This helps to guarantee the embedded Linux build based on the ARM Linux BSP will be 100% function ready with Advantech product and provide the best performance and I/O feature for your application. The second major part of ARM Linux is application add-on service. Advantech creates a lot of application feature and utility like quick boot, security boot, auto conversion. All of these features are collected as application add-on service in ARM Linux. You can directly adopt those features and utility into your application and make your application fast to market. So ARM Linux Advantech is able to pre-develop and pre-verify all the major features of each embedded platform. All users can benefit from ARM Linux and maximize the resource utilization of your project by focusing all your valuable resources on the application software development. In these 2 years, AI become a more and more popular topic, but there are many different AI platforms on the market. So choosing the right platform is a very important topic for helping you to reduce the development time and cost of your application. Advantech ARM Linux Edge AI software package support a major AI SoC hardware platform in the market and provide a unified, ready-to-use AI development platform for your AI application. It allows you to quickly evaluate the real inference performance with your AI model across different hardware platforms. Advantech Edge AI software solution, we develop several modularized service and library. It supports different sensing peripheral and optimize AI performance. By adopting our deep learning, computer vision, multimedia, and media and image library and API category, it helps you to leverage your hardware accelerator for better performance. Except those library and API category, we have also integrated pre-trained model on the top layer of the developer can directly run the demo app or implement a smart AI application based on existing models. As I mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, none of the company can do all the tasks by themselves. So Advantech WisePath Marketplace offers AI solution from outside partner. For example, a face recognition application is offered by CyberLink Technology. A smart traffic analysis monitoring solution is supported by AI Mobile. Advantech Edge AI software package become an AI development platform, which is able to flex extend your AI offering to fulfill the future AI application requirements. Centralized software design is the key solution to reduce the entry barrier of ARM technology in embedded market. Therefore, the regular update of ARM Linux is important to cover the new SOC solution, update the kernel version of Linux, and adding more embedded features into the ARM Linux package. It helps you to adopt the latest technology for your application. And all of this material and utility are available on website for free download. Advantech is fully committed to ARM Linux and want to build it as a reliable, open standard industrial Linux package to show the overall software development time for ARM-based solution in embedded market. So after the edge computer is built and work, the next question is how can we manage this edge computer effectively? Otherwise, the Android cloud application is not possible to work. But the development of remote device management framework is difficult and resource-consuming job for you. So Advantech launched Wise Device software package as a solution. Wise Device provides a cloud management framework to help you to quickly connect your edge computer to the cloud. It provides three major functions. First, the remote management and cloud control function, such as allow you to remote power on for your edge computers. Secondly, the remote software upgrade function allow you to upgrade device OS or application software from cloud. And the last function is device status notification function to ensure all the edge computers are work normally as you expect. So with all the functions provided by Advantech Wise Device we can realize that Wise Device is another key software service provided by Advantech to quickly build up your AI and authentication network. Okay, I think I already explained the importance of edge computer to AI and IoT application. Before ending today's presentation, I will use two examples to show you how this service can apply to a real case. The first case is the application for smart agriculture. In the application of smart culture, it needs to control the temperature, humidity, and sunlight accurately to ensure the growth of plant. This depends on a compact and low power consumption IoT gateway. This gateway needs to be connect the data from sensor through the different I/O interface and convert the data to appropriate protocol for the further data analysis, and then take the necessary action to control all the environment. Only the value information will be sent to cloud to maximize the overall operation efficiency of the application. So for this application, Advantech provide a Cortex-A-based embedded box, the EPC R3220, which provide a variety of I/O to connect different sensors and then provide a performance uptime BSP, which is pre-integrated I/O and the LT driver to customer for quick development the YATO needs for the application. For acquisition layer of software support, Advantech provide a wide device on COM bridge package to customer to convert different data protocol from sensor, and provide a wide path to help customer upload the analysis result to their cloud application from the IoT gateway. And lastly, Advantech also provide a wide device on software utility to help customer build up the remote management network for their smart agricultural application. The next example is for the store device management and multi-application. In this application, the IoT gateway needs to connect to the camera, post machine, coffee machine, and the door controller through the wire and wireless connection. And after analyzing the data, the IoT gateway will transmit the valuable information and the operation status of this store to cloud application. In addition, the data security is also an important factor of this application to avoid the leakage of business information. So for this application, Advantech provides AM Linux to help customers build a Linux operating system with image decoding and encoding ability and I/O connectivity capacity. We also provide an AM Linux Edge AI package to help customers to do the video recognition and provide a wide path and wide device sound package to link the IoT gateway to cloud, enable the remote management and control network for this application. Finally, for the security requirement, Advantech can implement the ARM PSA solution on top of custom embedded Linux to enable the data and device operation security for this application. Through about the two examples, we can understand how to reduce the integration difficulty caused by the different application requirements through the software standardization. As a leading company in the embedded market, Advantech will work closely with ARM together to continue accelerating the popularization of ARM technology in AI and IoT application. At the end of today's presentation, I would like to thank for your joining of today's webinar and wish all of you good health. Thank you.